Hi everybody, how you doing? This is Tara Gurry, your North Myrtle Beach Realtor. I am here in Surfside today. I just got finished showing clients a couple homes here and an oceanfront penthouse. And I'm going to show you this gorgeous home here. It's a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath. It's going for $895,000. It's right here at 6th Avenue South. It's 118A, 6th Avenue South. So we're 1 block to the beach, 5 blocks to Main Street and the pier and restaurant, shopping, everything that you could possibly want. So let's go ahead and take a look at this gorgeous home. All right, everybody. So I'm out here on the first little balcony. Down that way's the beach. Again, just 1 block away. You're surrounded by these beautiful palmetto trees. So entering here, open floor plan. Total square footage, heated square footage on this is 2,150. That would be huge, huh? So does come fully furnished, freshly painted. But the openness is just great here. This was built in 2005. So plenty of room here at the breakfast bar. Stainless steel refrigerator and microwave there. So this can be used short-term rentals. Large dining area there. Okay. So here is the half bath. So half bath, there's 4 full baths here. And here is a large spacious bedroom. This could be used as the master's if you wanted it. You have your closet to the right, and your full bath is right here. Take a peek at that. So we have the shower tub combo, dual vanities there. Out here you have a little balcony. It's not too big, but you can fit a rocking chair. Here is your own little pool. You have privacy. It's not that big, but it gets the job done. You could swim some laps in there, do some handstands underwater, some dolphin flips, whatnot. Play some pool games. Spacious, good size. Gotta love that. All right, what I really like about this too, we have the closet there. That's not what I was gonna tell you I like about this. What I like about this is that the other bedrooms and bathrooms are upstairs, so there's that nice separation. So if we had mom and dad who had a lot of kids, mom and dad could stay down here and the kids could stay up here. It's nice to break it up, especially for rentals. As an investment property, that's more people you can sleep, the better. Here you can get quite a few. Notice the light and bright colors, views, TV, double closet. Everything will convey. Good size bedroom here. Closets. Full bath here. Shower tub combo. bedroom here. We have a shower in there. Pretty colors, I really love them. They're beautiful, great. You have your washer and dryer here, and it's a newer washer and dryer. Looks like oversized capacity too. And in here, the other bedroom, we have a balcony here with views. Nice large size bathroom with a shower tub combo. 2 vanities here. Great, everybody. We'll finish it out on the balcony here with views. So no HOA on this. The total square footage is 3,150, and it steps from the beach. It really is. It's just 1 block to the beach. It's a gorgeous 5-bedroom, 4.5 baths. It's in the heart of Surfside. It has it all. It's a new water heater. We'll bring it outside. I'm reading this, but let's go for the views, right? It's a beautiful day here. Okay, so we have a newer water heater that was just put in last year. A newer HVAC was put in 2019. New refrigerator, again, that no HOA. Primary residence, second home, vacation rental, or both. And as I said, short-term rentals, of course, are allowed. So awesome, everybody. Thank you so much for coming along with me on another tower tour here. So happy to show you this beautiful property in Surfside, showing you all the properties here at the beach and along the Grand Strand. I'd love to hear from you. My contact information is down below. Or, of course, just give me a call, 843-877-5839. Thank you so much, y'all. Take care. God bless.